Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're looking at the differences between robotic pool cleaners and pressure or suction side cleaners. Pressure and suction side cleaners have been around for a long time, and we are used to seeing them in residential pools. Unfortunately, they don't perform as well as the wide use suggests. In fact, robotic pool cleaners far exceed pressure or suction side cleaners in power, efficiency, and coverage. The first key to the superiority of robotic pool cleaners lies in their motors. Pressure and suction side cleaners rely on AC motors to clean your pool. These AC motors use nearly 10 times the power of the low voltage DC motors found in robotic pool cleaners. This is because robots have onboard motors, and suction and pressure side cleaners must force water through 30 to 40 feet of hose. This means that pressure and suction side cleaners can't deliver efficient suction or efficient scrubbing power, and they leave behind more debris on your pool floor. So if you want a true deep clean, look to robotic pool cleaners because they have the onboard power you need to actually deep clean swimming pools. Some robotic pool cleaners, such as the Dolphin Sigma, even include 3 instead of a typical 1 or 2 DC motors, which means it can deliver commercial grade power for a truly premium clean. All of this power must come at the expense of a higher electric bill though, right? Actually no, robotic pool cleaners are 87% more efficient than pressure and suction side cleaners, costing only 5 cents per hour to operate. So not only will robotic pool cleaners clean your pool better, they'll also do it for less. One other major difference to mention is the intelligence difference between pressure and suction side cleaner and robotic pool cleaners. Robotic pool cleaners have a much higher IQ than any pressure and suction side cleaner because they often include onboard microprocessor controlled navigation systems such as SmartNav, which can be found on units like the Dolphin Escape and Premier. The navigation system helps robotic pool cleaners map and learn your pool so they can create the most efficient cleaning route. And with a more efficient cleaning route, robotic pool cleaners can spend more time delivering a perfect clean. This is in stark contrast to pressure and suction side cleaners. They have no navigation technology, so they can only wander your pool aimlessly, inevitably missing spots that need cleaning. Finally, robotic pool cleaners come with many more optional features than pressure or suction side cleaners. This means that you have the ability to truly customize and control a pool cleaning through multiple filter options like the Dolphin Premier's multimedia filtration, which comes with 4 filter media types, scheduling options like the weekly timer found on the Dolphin Cayman, and even app connectivity like you'd find with the Dolphin Sigma. So there you have it, the main reasons why you should consider a true robotic pool cleaner. Robotic cleaners simply deliver a more powerful deep clean at a lower price per clean, and they're far more efficient thanks to navigation software. Pressure and suction side cleaners can't compete because of their aimlessly wandering lackluster cleaning ability. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.